Hey there, check out this powerful 500W electric meat grinder and food processor with 3 speed settings for easy chopping, blending, and grinding. It comes with 2 large 12-cup 3-liter bowls made of steel and glass, offering more capacity than typical 2-liter processors. This versatile kitchen tool includes bi-level steel blades, a garlic peeler, egg beater, and a scraper to simplify your cooking tasks. You can chop vegetables, grind meat, whip eggs, peel garlic, and even prepare baby food all with one device. The separate blades for each bowl mean no need to switch parts during your prep. Cleanup is a breeze since all parts, except the motor, are dishwasher-safe or easy to rinse by hand. Make your kitchen work faster and smarter with this multifunctional food chopper, designed for convenience and efficiency. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.